In this video, we are going to talk about the coordinates of a vector and how to find them. So if we have on a grid a vector which is drawn on a grid, to find the coordinates of a vector, we read the horizontal displacement to the right as positive and to the left as negative. We read the vertical displacement upwards as positive and downwards as negative. The horizontal displacement represents the abscissa of the vector, and the vertical displacement represents the ordinate of the vector. Here are some examples. So, if we examine vector CD, the horizontal displacement is 5 to the right and the vertical is 3 upwards, which means that the coordinates are 5, 3. In vector EF, we have 3 units down and 2 to the left. So the horizontal displacement is -2 and the vertical displacement is -3. So these are the coordinates of vector EF. In vector GH, there is no vertical displacement, so it should be 0. And the horizontal displacement is 4 to the right, so it is 4, 0. In vector KL, there is no horizontal displacement, so it is 0, and the vertical is 2 downwards, so the coordinates are 0, -2. In QR, it is 1 down and 2 to the left, so it is -2, -1. Now, if we want to find the coordinates of a vector by calculation, we use the following formula. But first, we are given the coordinates of A, the coordinates of B, then the coordinates of vector AB are x of B, we start by the extremity, minus x of A, y of B, minus y of A. We plug in the coordinates, we do the calculation, and the answer is -5, -2. Now, if I want to find the coordinates of BA, which is the opposite vector of AB, I take the opposite of the abscissa and the opposite of the ordinate, and hence the coordinates of BA are 5, 2. Now, if I have this example, the coordinates of E and the coordinates of F, if I look at them, they have the same abscissa. So applying the formula, the abscissa of the vector will be 0, the ordinate of the vector will be -3, which means that the vector has no horizontal displacement and it goes down 3 units downwards. Now, if I want to do the coordinates of vector FG, they have the same ordinate. So when I apply the formula, the ordinate of the vector will be 0, which means that I will have no vertical displacement, and it's gonna be 5 units to the right. So here I have 5 units to the right and no vertical displacement, which means it is a horizontal vector. Now, if I have this example, in this example, I am given the coordinates of vector CD and coordinates of one of the points. I need the coordinates of point D. So I put the formula for the coordinates of vector CD. Then I plug in the coordinates of C here, and x of D minus x of C will be x of D plus 2, which is equal to -4 from here, and y of D minus 5, which is the ordinate of C, equal 10. I do the calculation and I will get the coordinates of point D, which are -6 and 15.